Hi, today I want to show how to make the image by ourselves. There's another way, but first I want to use the simple way. First we run the Jenkins image, and after that we access to the running container, the Jenkins container, and to install the maven. Maven is usually run inside the Jenkins. So first I will run the Jenkins container, and because I don't want every time when I using the officially the image Jenkins image, because if in that way every time I restart my computer, I need to reinstall the maven. So for the convenience, I will access and install the maven in there. So and making the special Jenkins image for us to use. So later I reuse this image. I don't need to install the maven by myself. So now let me check. Does my Jenkins is run? Okay, so we don't need to log in so far, because I only want to show how to create our own image. So in here we open another PowerShell, and using this command docker first we need to get the container ID. So I only have one container running, which is our Jenkins container. The ID in here, I just copy it, and then using the docker execute -it -u using the root user, and put our container ID in here, and the /bin/bash. Then we are logging to our Jenkins container, and in here I'm using the maven --version to check do we install the maven in this container. So in here the maven is not installed in here. Then we can try to let me see. Just run the update. Oh, sorry, my typo. apt update, and after that it should be very fast. We can apt get install maven, hit enter, and wait a while, and yes. So it should be fine. Take a while. Almost done. In the meantime, maybe we can try to log in. Okay, so and during waiting we can log into here, and you can see last time I run something here for test, and we can see after that. Okay, so now finish, and after that we can just get it. We just show maven version again. Okay, so the maven is still in here, so we can just exit, and after exit we can stop this container. So container list, and copy this one again, and using the docker stop, and place. Yeah, so this container will be stopped. You can refresh this one, it cannot find anything. So even though we still need to using the docker ps-a. Oh, there's a lot. So container ID is this one. We can copy again, and using the docker commit container ID, and using the simple code slash Jenkins maven, and put the version number, and hit enter. No such. Oh, we forgot to put the container ID. So CLS and the container image LS. So we can see we created this one here. Yeah, a little bit bigger than the original one. A lot bigger. Yeah. So now we can run the command again, but this time we will in this time here we will use the simple code Jenkins vn to run this container. Docker run. Docker run using run command docker run. It cannot find, so let me try again, and copy this one here, and put the take 1.00, hit enter. Okay, so it should be fine. We're just waiting for it to launch, and we refresh our web page. We just clear this one and run the docker image, or run docker container ls. Sorry, typo. Let's go open another one. Okay, docker container ls. So here our container ID is this one, and we can use the command docker execute -it -u root user, and put our container ID in here. Just copy and paste in here, and /bin/bash, and hit enter. So in here we can use in the maven --version to see that the maven is installed. So the maven is installed in here. So before that, we can come to here and try to log in try to log in our Jenkins. So it can log in, and the maven is installed, and even though we're using another image to run the Jenkins container, but because we like the previous video, I say we save our setting in here, Jenkins home setting, and you guys can notice I'm using a different image to launch this container, and after launch we don't need to install the maven. This is the video I want to show how to make image by ourselves. So you can see this image is created by ourselves. This is how using the simple way. Yeah, thank you for watching.